Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to turn off X sensitive content setting. So the first step is to simply go to x.com. Keep in mind that if you want to turn off this setting, you're going to have to use the browse version of X, so it doesn't work on the mobile app. And what you're going to have to do is simply click on more and then simply go to your settings and privacy. And then what you're going to have to do is simply go to accessibility and then simply click on the first one here. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply, so you're gonna have to go to you're gonna have to go back and then go to privacy and safety. And then here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on content you see, and then simply enable this option, which is display media that may contain sensitive content. So enable this, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.